Hi friends, welcome back to our channel I Study for You. Before we dive into today's topic, I want to remind you to hit that like button if you find this video is helpful. Your support really helps the channel to grow. Also, if you think this video can benefit others, please share it with your friends or anyone who might find it useful. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with all my latest educational videos. Alright, let's get started with today's lesson. To improve efficiency and consistency, we have utilized AI generated voice for this video. We are committed to providing high quality content and welcome your thoughts on this approach.
Speech impairment. Humans are unique among Earth's species because of their ability to speak, which is a special gift. A baby starts learning language by making unclear sounds, then progresses to syllables, words, phrases, and sentences, eventually mastering conversation. Effective speech involves sound, words, and sentence structure, and good listening skills are essential for developing this ability. Hearing impaired children often have difficulty with speech skills. Speech organs like the mouth, tongue, throat, jaw, windpipe, vocal cords, and the hard and soft palate must move correctly to produce different sounds. If any of these organs have a defect, it can cause speech problems, known as speech impairment. Children with speech impairments may be unnoticed by teachers in the classroom. They might have trouble pronouncing certain letters, words, and phrases, stammer when speaking sentences, and their speech might be unclear or delayed. It's important for teachers and parents to identify these problems early and take action. Causes of speech impairment: insufficient brain development, incomplete development of inner ear organs, uncontrolled movements in speech organs, multilingual environment, shyness and fear, difficulty understanding language sounds, cleft lip, thick tongue, stammering, limited vocabulary, delayed speech development. Symptoms of speech impairment: difficulty speaking continuously, delayed speech, unnecessary stress on syllables while speaking, fear and tension. Types of speech impairment. Speech impairments in children can be categorized as follows: defects in articulation, addition, distraction, substitution, skipping sounds, defects in voice, lowering or raising the voice, tone issues, stress, defects in fluency, stammering or stuttering, cluttering, fear, defects in articulation. Children with cleft lips struggle to speak properly, but these defects can be treated medically. The brain has several speech centers, and damage to any of these centers can cause speech impairment, known as dysarthria. Defects in articulation among hearing impaired individuals can include addition, distraction, substitution, skipping sounds, defects in voice. Voice defects can occur if there is an issue with the vocal cords or if the speech organ is unused. Voice prosody, high or low pitch. The tone's density, power, and nature are crucial for a good voice. The pitch of the voice is influenced by the movement of air through the speech organs. Prosody. Some hearing impaired individuals may speak in a high pitch, which can be corrected through tactile sense in techniques like the ball technique. Stress, prosody. In normal speech, some sounds are unnecessarily overstressed. Defects in speech fluency. Stammering. In speech, fluency, style, and prosody are important. Stammering occurs when there is a break in fluency. This includes repeating the same word or prolonging certain sounds. Nature of stammering. This involves struggling to start speaking, unnecessary repetition of sounds, and prolongation of a few sounds. Causes of stammering. Psychological barriers, unsteadiness, and malfunctioning of the nervous system can cause stammering in children. Cluttering. Cluttering happens when there is an absence of pauses while speaking and when the speech is too fast. Fear. Excessive fear can disrupt speech fluency. Hindrances in learning. Difficulty in expressing the teacher's concepts. Problems in reading lessons. Inability to read lessons within a set time. Incorrect use of stressed and unstressed syllables. Listeners struggle to understand the speech due to prolonged word spells and delays. Voice and tone are affected by constant stammering. The role of parents. Encourage children to converse in simple sentences without grammatical errors. Use information and communication technology, ICT, to model good speech. Follow the recommendations of speech specialists. Ensure regular medical treatment. Provide speech therapy as advised by specialists. Help children build courage. Training in pronunciation. Introduce simple sounds of the alphabet in words, and provide adequate training to pronounce sounds correctly. Teach from easy to difficult sounds of words and phrases, training children to use appropriate words, phrases, and sentences in speech. Record alphabetic sounds on a tape recorder, and use visual aids like computers and TVs for correct pronunciation. Train the speech organs under a teacher's supervision. Present child-oriented topics in the form of dialogue, conversation, and seminars, using educational tools to train children to speak correctly.